Most of the previously discussed marketing methods have the same immediate goal in mind: getting traffic to a web page. Now, this web page could either be a sales or order page or a lead generation page. Since sales is a relatively straightforward topic and lead generation is at the forefront of immediate internet marketing goals, we'll be focusing on all the variations of lead generation in this video. First up is email list building. This is arguably the most important form of lead generation. They say the money is in the list, and it's true. The most common method of email list building is to send traffic to a lead generation page of some sort. Typically, this is a landing page pitching some sort of free offer or lead magnet in exchange for a person typing in their email into an opt-in form. This opt-in form might also ask for a name, since personalized subject lines are known to increase open rates by around 30%. In addition to a traditional opt-in form, which often sadly leads to low-quality email addresses that are rarely checked, or even fake names and fake emails, there are two recent developments that have allowed marketers to increase the quality of the contact info they collect. The first of these developments is the lead ad or lead card concept available on Facebook and Twitter's advertising platforms. This newer type of ad pre-fills Facebook and Twitter users' names and emails into the opt-in form and requires them to only tap the submit button. This is beneficial because the emails and names associated with a person's social media account are more likely to be real and regularly checked. That said, a lot of people did set up their social media accounts many years ago and no longer check those email addresses regularly, and users can still choose to click on and change the auto-filled data in those fields to a secondary, rarely checked, or even a fake email address. This weakness has led to yet another solution designed to maximize lead quality and email open rates: Warlord Mobile Leads. Warlord Mobile Leads is a tool that ensures that you get a person's primary email address and real name without them having to type anything into an opt-in form. It does this by leveraging the email app on their mobile device and has become an increasingly popular list building option since 2016, due to the fact that most traffic these days is coming from mobile devices. Next, robust lead generation. For businesses that require a little more lead data, a more robust lead collection approach may be necessary. This simply entails adding more fields to an opt-in form. Depending on a business's needs, this may include items such as phone numbers, mailing addresses, business names, industries, income levels, family size, and so on. After that, there's SMS list building. Text message marketing has become increasingly popular in recent years. Initially, the main use of SMS list building was for major retailers to send out special coupons and promotional messages. However, more recently, many online businesses have been leveraging SMS messaging for things such as webinar reminders and sales promotions. There are various ways of conducting this type of list building, including having people input their mobile numbers or having them send a text message to a specific number. Next up, push notifications. An even more recent trend has been to have people opt in to push notifications. This involves a pop-up on your website requesting permission to send people future updates directly via their browsers. When a person consents to this, you're then able to send notifications that pop up in a box on the bottom right of their screen at any time in the future. After that, there's retargeting. Building a retargeting audience can be considered another form of list building and is relatively easy to do. Various platforms, including AdRoll, Facebook, Twitter, and many others, have a retargeting pixel that you can paste onto your web properties. Once this is done, all traffic to these pages will be cookied and added to your retargeting list. From that point forward, you'll have the ability to place your ads in front of these people almost anywhere on the web. This includes on social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, video sites like YouTube, and virtually any website, news site, blog, or forum that participates in any of the major online ad networks. This is a very valuable form of lead generation because retargeted traffic has been shown to convert at a 70% higher rate than cold traffic. Last but not least, there's social followers. Building a social following can be considered another form of lead generation. With a large enough social following, a business can post to one of the major social networks and have their content and promotions seen in the social feeds of countless potential customers. The possibility of these followers sharing these posts gives businesses yet another way to expand their list even further. Some social networks like Facebook have recently decreased the percentage of a business's audience that will see organic posts in their news feeds. However, if an audience is large enough, social posting remains a powerful form of marketing today.